Hi, this is Nicole with Raspberrymoon Skin Therapy. Today we're going to be going over the skinscript charcoal clay cleanser. So this cleanser is going to be great for normal to oily skin. It's fabulous for men and for teens. It has a deep cleansing action, but it's still gentle. It also is going to work as a detoxifying cleanser and help to reduce oil. So we're going to take approximately a large dime, about a half of a palm size. Make sure our skin is a little damp or our fingertips are a little damp. And we're gonna manipulate it around the skin here, working in circular motion. So we wanna make sure we hit this chin area well, make sure we're hitting in the nose where we tend to have a lot of congestion. Also, generally, I'm gonna go down my neck and across my décolleté. So it has kaolin clay in it. That's gonna help to absorb sebum or oil in the skin. It's going to help to reduce clogging and to remove impurities from the skin. It has charcoal powder, which actually comes from a coconut husk, and it's a porous type of ingredient that's kind of work like a sponge, so it's going to help to absorb those impurities and remove them from the skin. You can kind of think of it as a magnet pulling metal toxins out of your cell, metal toxins or pollutions. It also has some glycerin, which is an emollient, and it also works as a humectant, which means that it takes moisture from the air and helps to hydrate the skin. So we're just gonna wipe this off. This is one of those microfiber cloths that I find are really, really helpful. They're very gentle to the skin and do a nice job of removing cleanser or exfoliants from the skin. So after we are finished with this, then we're going to want to go on to our next step, which is our toner. And we could maybe use something like our fabulous cucumber toner or maybe our mint refining toner. Just depends on your particular skin type. If you would like to get more information, you can always check us out online and schedule a consult. And let's help get you on a path of healthier skin. Okay, that is everything for today. I'm ready to go on to my next step or to do a second cleanse depending on what your treatment protocol is. Thank you so much. Until we connect, create a beautiful day.